The Indo-Dutch collaboration on wastewater management aims to demonstrate, through various projects, a novel approach to produce clean water that can be reused for various industrial and civil purposes. The project will develop an innovative pilot-scale plant suitable to cope with Indian conditions in a location-specific manner. The final design of the pilot plant will be scalable and modular to fit into the highly populated urban terrain. On-site experimental testing labs will be set up to achieve the purpose, which will provide research opportunities for both Indian and Dutch student researchers.
One of the most important tasks facing us is cleaning urban sewage. This has to be done in a cost-effective manner. To do this requires the best of science and technology, and we have done exactly this by partnering with the Dutch to clean the Barapola drain.
In this collaboration, the Indian institutions, along with the Dutch partners, are trying to adapt the learnings of those experiences to the Indian requirements. We expect to demonstrate these technologies on the Barapola drain site, and thereby, from the results which we get, we will try to replicate these technologies at other sites across the country.
A foundation stone laying ceremony was conducted on 9th of May 2017 for the on-site laboratory and pilot plant to mark the start of the cleaning and beautification of the Barapola drain behind the Sundial Park by the Honorable Indian Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Harshvardhan, Netherlands Minister of Foreign Affairs, Bert Koenders, and Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Mr. Anil Baijal. A street art project in the form of two flowers, a lotus and a tulip, depicting the union of Indo-Dutch strengths, was also unveiled.
Once we are successful on a pilot scale, we will take this up to larger contexts so this is replicable and scalable.
Our R&D activities within the Golden Triangle of universities, companies and government, both in India and the Netherlands, will accelerate the development of water treatment alternatives suitable for local conditions, starting in Indian megacities with a spin-off for cities around the globe. Not only science will benefit, but also economics, trading and, most important, local people with shortage of clean water.
In the context of climate change, the floodplains of our big rivers pose enormous threats to our population in multiple ways. To address this question, to understand the impact of climate change, we are planning to have a laboratory boat on the Brahmaputra River to analyze that whole ecosystem and see how it responds to the vagaries of climate change. So from cleaning the Barapola drain to understanding the Brahmaputra ecosystem by setting up a laboratory there, we would have extraordinary high quality proof of principle on what can be achieved. We will then bring in the private sector and public enterprise to partner to provide clean water for all on a large scale.